Dr. Sharma here from Medskl, where we help students explore a career in medicine. Why did Amy Schumer develop facial swelling? Was it cellulitis, an insect bite, or was it Cushing's disease? Cellulitis is an infection in which bacteria can infect the skin. Most commonly, the organism is Staphylococcus, a gram-positive bacteria that lives on the surface of the skin. On examination, there is usually redness, swelling, and warmth. Here is a patient that had an infection that affected the skin around the eye. They were diagnosed with a periorbital cellulitis and treated with antibiotics, and the problem quickly resolved. A second cause of facial swelling is an insect bite. These can be from anything, a mosquito, wasp, or a tick. Most frequently, there is a definitive history of the bite, and redness is frequently seen. With a tick bite, the swelling can appear in the form of a bullseye lesion called erythema migrans. If this is seen, it is critical to start antibiotics, otherwise Lyme disease may develop and the risk for long-term neurologic problems increases. Hormones are molecules that work like messengers that travel through the blood to communicate between organs. The hormone system's command center is called the pituitary gland. It creates many hormones, including ones that control the thyroid, TSH, milk production in the breast, prolactin, the ovaries and testicles, LH and FSH, and the adrenal glands, ACTH. ACTH, or adrenocorticotropic hormone, stimulates the adrenals to create and secrete cortisol. This hormone plays a role in stress and ultimately causes increased glucose availability and immune suppression. Cushing syndrome is a condition in which there is excess cortisol in the body. This is a hormone that is known to have a number of effects on the body, including causing high blood pressure, immune suppression, and bone loss. It may also cause classic overt clinical symptoms such as a buffalo hump in which fat collects between the shoulders, striated purple lines on the tummy, arms, or thighs, as well as a rounded or moon face. Cushing's can be caused by either external administration of steroids or from an adrenal gland creating too much of it. The adrenal gland is a fortune cookie-sized endocrine gland that consists of an inner medulla and an outer cortex. While the medulla creates epinephrine, the cortex creates cortisol amongst other hormones. There are a number of causes of increased production of cortisol in the body, including stress, an ACTH-producing tumor in the pituitary gland, or a cortisol-producing tumor in the adrenal gland. In many patients with symptoms suggestive of Cushing's, high cortisol levels can be seen in the urine, elevated ACTH levels in the blood, and tumors may be visible in the pituitary or adrenal glands on an MRI. Amy Schumer was diagnosed with Cushing syndrome. In her case, she mentioned the use of steroids after both breast reduction surgery and a C-section. Because of this, the cause of her condition was likely related to exogenous steroid administration. Important points to remember. Cortisol production in the body involves both the pituitary and adrenal glands. Elevated levels require investigations of both organs. Cushing syndrome may be related to cortisol-secreting tumors or exogenous use of steroids. Elevated cortisol levels may be linked to a variety of chronic conditions, including high blood pressure, immune deficiency, and bone loss. If you're a high school student watching this in class, tell your teacher there's a free lesson plan for this video at stemmd.org. If you're a science teacher looking for free weekly lesson plans built around celebrity diagnoses, grab yours at stemmd.org. If you're a medical student or physician looking for world-class clinical education, visit Medskl.com And of course, if you're a high school student or pre-med in college who's interested in a career in medicine, visit premedskill.com.